Creating a quality app is a hard task, especially if your app is going to run on different screen sizes. On the web, we generally use a CSS framework like Bootstrap or Bulma to make our app more cohesive in design and has a good user experience. CSS framework also provide an extensive array of pre-built components, and most important, they have memorable component names. Unfortunately, in Flutter, we don't have any framework like those until now. Liquid is one of the most advanced UI toolkit available for Flutter, which is highly inspired by Bootstrap and Bulma, two of the most popular CSS framework out there. Liquid comes with a 12-column grid system, a powerful form, a text processor, and extensive array of pre-built components. Head over to Liquid Expo to learn more about Liquid and its components, and subscribe to this channel for more updates on Liquid, upcoming tutorials and walkthroughs. Thank you.